Hello guys, welcome to Chelsea Camp where we bring to you unlimited news, unlimited gist, unlimited stories concerning Chelsea Football Club. And if you are new to the channel, please, this is a new channel. Please subscribe to us. Subscribe, please, and also comment, give us a like, share with your friends and family, share with the fans of this loving club. Let's promote Chelsea Football Club, please. All these things are what gives the crew the motivation to keep on with the good work, please. So thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you guys for everything. We love you. So moving on to the news of the day, we have many news concerning Chelsea Football Club. We have news regarding Thomas Tuchel's tactical genius. We have news of Mendy revealing his secrets, and we have many news. Antonio Rudiger and Thiago Silva back in training. So keep your seatbelt tight and join us as we take this long ride. So the first news on our desk is former Chelsea midfielder Jody Morris has compared Edouard Mendy's current form to Liverpool's Mo Salah. Writing on his Twitter, he said, "Mendy is up there with Salah so far this season. Won't get same plaudits, but his level of performance in his position is upper echelon." Like Mendy performances this season has been outstanding, amazing, and what else can I say? I mean, Mendy has been putting on amazing saves upon saves so far this season. Okay. On the same hand, Loftus-Cheek impressive performance hands the midfielder increased game time. Earlier this season we were having doubt if Ruben will stay or not. But I think the midfielder is gradually regaining his place. The Loftus-Cheek we love, the Loftus-Cheek, putting impressive performances like playing for defensive, the center midfield, defensive midfield. So Loftus-Cheek is an amazing player. Like he's getting back to his old form, putting on amazing performances. Big up to your Cheek. Okay. Going to another news. Thomas Tuchel, speaking about Chelsea performance so far this season, he said, "Liverpool and Man City has proven throughout the last year that they are benchmark in terms of quality and consistency. They have showed us the last years what it takes to become champion. We have to improve in every aspect of our game in order to overcome them." Liverpool is on fire. Man City is also a good team, and I have to give it to their coaches for the nice work. There has been a high level of consistency. Although Liverpool has some setback last season due to injury, but still they managed to finish top 4, even ahead of Chelsea Football Club. I have to give it to their coach Jurgen Klopp, and Jurgen Klopp is doing amazing work. Man City coach in the person of Man City coach is also doing amazing. What can I say? They are amazing coach, and they has been at the top level right from time. Pep Guardiola is amazing. Jurgen Klopp is amazing. Going over to the other news at hand, Chelsea's goalkeeper Edouard Mendy reveals his secret. The secret behind his outstanding performances. He said, "I'm happy now how I performed. It's down to hard work. I prayed during the week with my teammates. I prepared myself during the week with my teammates and coaches to help the team, and I was able to do that. We knew we are coming up against a very difficult team. They have shown that since they got promoted to the Premier League, especially at home against Arsenal and Liverpool. That makes it really good result. It's very hard. There was so much intensity in the game and a great atmosphere. We had to suffer. We suffered together. We passed the hurdle together. It's positive, and now we have to build on this momentum in Champions League. I mean, you gotta give it to the whole team. Because this is a team play. This is a teamwork. Like, everybody needs each other. The defense. I mean, Edu cannot do it alone without the defense. The defense cannot do it alone without the midfielders. The midfielders cannot do it without the support of the strikers. This is what we call team play. Like, big ups to Edu for recognizing everybody, not taking all the glory. Because some people, they flew on top of the world. They can even take all the glory without recognizing their teammates for the work and outstanding work they put on. I mean, I got to give it to you. It's amazing. Okay, coming on to the next news. Edu performances this season shows that Chelsea's decision not to sign Donnarumma last season was right. I mean, Chelsea was in the talk to sign Donnarumma as a free agent last season, but on a later stage they decided against it and said, let's give Mendy our trust. I mean, he led us to the Champions League. He will do amazing. He has been doing amazing work. He has not been caught wanting. I mean, and as we all can see, it's paying off. Like, there is no more talk on this because Edu has been putting amazing work for the Chelsea Football Club. His performance has been amazing. The reflexes, the saves, oh my goodness. I can't stop saying this, but Edouard Mendy has been amazing. Okay. Moving to other notice, Tuchel's tactical genius cast Chelsea Football Club's Antonio Rudiger fears aside. I mean, before the Brentford match, all of us were afraid, like, come on, no Rudiger. How are we going to cope? How are we going to cope defensively? Rudiger is not there. Thiago Silva is not there. What are we going to do? But the tactical genius of this German tactician has, give us an edge. I mean, we all saw the work Chalobah put up there. We all saw the work Malansa put up. Like, they were amazing throughout the match. Not to talk of our Danish Maldini in the person of Christensen himself. Like, he was the backbone of that defense, giving commands, arranging the team, making sure that none of the defensive backline were caught wanting. He was like amazing. I mean, what else can I say? The level of consistency Christensen has been putting on has been outstanding. I mean, I got to give it to him. He has been amazing. Going on to the next news, Rudiger is back. I mean, back for good, man. Rudiger is back in training after the back injury. So, a back injury he got in international duty with Germany on the just concluded international duty. I mean, thank God. What else can we say if not to wish him luck and wish him good health? On the same vein, Thiago Silva is also back in training. After the long, Thiago Silva's international duty was long awaited. But what can we do? According to FIFA rules, you cannot stop a player from. The club has no right to stop a player from attending his international duty. I mean, that's what they owe their country, the patriotism and everything. Okay. Going to the other news, Bayern Munich's manager Julian Nagelsmann has revealed that Chelsea legend John Terry was his role model while growing up. The German coach spoke to the Times about his life story and childhood, speaking about being referred to as Johnny when playing football in reference of John Terry. He said, in those days, Terry was one of the central defenders. I mean, he was one of the best central defenders. I think there was one season he did not lose one duel. He was brave with his head. I was good with my foot, but better with my head. And there were some similarities. He was kind of role model. for a person like Julian Nagelsmann to come out and say this, I mean, you can see the results of a Coban graduate. I mean, Terry has been our own. He has been our own from right from the beginning to end. He has been proper Chelsea. He has been representing us. So going to the other news, I think with following the Thomas Tuchel's press conference after the Brentford match, or why he saw Lukaku, he made mention of Lukaku needing rest and the need for him to have some rest, because, and also Lukaku's international manager discharging him from international duty because of muscle fatigue. I think coming off again next Champions League clash against Malmo FF on Wednesday, I think Lukaku needs to be rested so that the Belgium will not break down. I mean, he has played literally every minute of Chelsea's games, both Premier League and Champions League. Although he come off the bench on the Carabao Cup clash against Aston Villa, but I think that's not enough. He needs some rest. Okay. And on the final note, we want to conclude this by wishing the Chelsea Football Club women manager Emma Hayes a very belated happy birthday. The tactician clocked 45 years old today. I mean, 45 years look good on you, man. Keep doing the good work. Keep supporting Chelsea Football Club. I mean, more blessings fall on you. We pray for good health, prosperity, and more tactics to destroy other things. Thank you. So this is where we call it a day for today's Chelsea camp news update. In case if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, give us your like, and keep supporting Chelsea Football Club. Also follow us on all social medias. On Facebook, search for Chelsea Camp. You see our logo there. And on Instagram, Chelsea_Camp9. Thank you guys. Thank you.